Hey there, choir. Welcome. It's Mr. C, Mr. Contreras, your choir director. I just wanted to welcome you. I hope to see you tomorrow or A Day or B Day or C Day, whenever I see you. Can't wait to meet you face to face or screen to screen, I should say. So I just wanted to give you a little update on how to find our Zoom meetings. Here is our Canvas page. You'll see that there are about 6 different buttons here that I've made. Just choose the one that says Zoom Resources. There's 2 buttons after that say Zoom Rules and then Zoom Links for Class. Please go over the rules, of course. It's another video of me. But just click on Zoom Links for Class and it should take you straight away to Zoom. So, alright, sounds great. Whenever you check out your time that you need to be in class, I actually have a schedule on the main page as well. It's the 5-day schedule. Just be aware that the alternate schedule, if Monday is a holiday, A days are on Tuesday and Thursday. So just think of tomorrow as Monday, basically, right? I know it's a little confusing, it's going to be a little different, but if you made it this far, I think you're in really great shape. And I can't wait to get to talk to you all and sing, of course. All right, I will see you. Bye, guys.